Welcome back to the channel again. In today's short video, you will learn how to fix the problem if your Google Chrome browser isn't updating. If Chrome won't update, the first thing you should do is click the three dot menu in the top right corner of the browser. Next, open settings. Once you are on the settings page, click privacy and security. Here you will find the clear browsing data option. Click it and clear all of your browsing data. After that, close Chrome completely and restart it. Then go to the About Chrome section and browse, and should automatically begin downloading and installing latest update. In most cases, this method solves the problem. However, if Chrome still won't update, go back settings and reset the browser. Click reset settings, then select restore settings to their original defaults. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.